So, folks, here we go. This is our narrative for whom we are, because our culture defines a people. You know, it's your language, your cuisine, your fashion, your art, your dancing, just about it all. You know, that's you, your philosophy, your world view. And so when you compound it all, your history, don't let any other person tell the narrative. You better be telling it yourself. Igbo culture or Igbo history predates the colonial times, actually goes back thousands upon thousands of years. But to prove it, it has to be empirical. And so this work here, it's a compendium that tells it all. It's brief, but straight to the point. And so it's 496 pages of about 6 parts, and it delves from archaeological findings that shows that Igbos 3,000 years ago had great knowledge of iron works, iron smelting, and so metallurgy is nothing new to the Igbo technical knowledge. You go from there now to the very essence of what makes us what we are. And that's our language, right in there, our arts, right in there, and numerals. Do you know that you can count up to 1 billion in Igbo? If you understand the units, the tens of units, you know, 1 to 10, all the way to 100, you know. So if you know that, ofu, ili, nari, you know, puku, nde, ijeri, you're on. So I think this is very good to bridge the generational gap that is now existing. We have Igbos in Eastern Nigeria, we have local diaspora Igbos in Nigeria, and we have international diaspora Igbos. And now we have clearly kids born and that have grown outside Igbo land that are now parents themselves. And so this sort of work can bridge the knowledge gap, it can bridge the cultural gap, it can reintroduce, reawaken. We begin to also relearn our values, because those values, them pristine values, is what we want to bridge from one generation to the other. And so I think that this is an absolute essential, and I do pray that it achieves its purpose, because when you're culturally aware of whom you are, when you're culturally proud of whom you are, then obviously, you'll be a better person. You'll be a more confident person in whatever you do. People that are not Igbos, persons that are not Igbos, are most welcome to this book, because if they read and they understand the philosophical underpinning of the Igbos, then they'll know that we are value adding to wherever we find ourselves. We do not group somebody's property or land or anything. No, we are very legal in our approach, and we are very, very respectful of other people's culture and climate and laws. And so I think understanding, reading and learning and understanding this work will create a more positive vista about the Igbos. Thank you very much. Good luck. I hope you buy. Thank you. Bye.